Nicholas, and I'm coming from Center of Research and Technology at LAS, and I will try to quickly present you the moderator's approach for heat recovery, storage, and reuse in data centers. A little of background information. As you probably all know, data center energy demand continuously growing. This situation is expected to be worse in the future. The trends will become stricter, and taking also the evolution of AI into account, this will make things much worse. Back in 2020, data centers consumed more energy than entire countries, and I suppose the situation is still much worse. Even using very efficient cooling system, almost all the installed IT power in the data center is converted into heat. So there is plenty of waste heat out there to be recovered, but most of the time this is wasted. And why is that? This is because this energy coming in the form of heat from data center is of low quality, meaning is of low temperature and low energy density. What we propose in our project is to use immersion cooling as a game changer in the conventional approach. And for those who are not familiar with the technology, in immersion cooling, all the IT components are immersed in the electric liquid fluid, which dissipates the heat from the IT components and transfers it in another fluid. Most of the time this is water, through a heat exchange process. This is a very efficient system, which we think that face all the main obstacles that hinders reuse and further exploitation of the waste heat from data centers. What's the overall goal of Moderator project is to develop and demonstrate an integrated prototype based on an immersion cooling system combined with a novel and innovative phase change material for heat storage and very highly efficient multi-layer insulation system to minimize heat losses, especially when we would like to store heat for prolonged periods. This system has some intrinsic advantages and characteristics like modularity. The system can be designed from a few kilowatts to several megawatts. It is entirely modular. It is simple in operation and can be installed directly either indoors or outdoors without heavy facility requirements. It is sustainably in use because we use safe and clean for human health and the environment materials. Another important goal of the project is to identify potential applications and end users to use this heat, taking into account always the spatial distribution and the size of data center, because these are play a very important role. If we consider a heat pump to upgrade the heat recovered from data center, then there are a lot of applications that this heat can be used, including district heating network. But even without including heat pumps in the overall concept, there are still a lot of applications that this heat can be exploited, including aquaponics, greenhouses, and some industrial processes that require low temperature heat for their facilities. Adding with who we are, the Moderator is a 4-year research project, including 11 European and Swiss partners, including our host and COVA from here. And we are currently in the first year of the project, the end of the first year of the project, so many more interesting results are expected. Stay tuned to learn more, and we are also be in the poster area for more information for everyone who is interested. Thanks a lot.